Hey, hello guys. I hope you will be fine. So last time I explained you the green screen on the KineMaster. So some of my friends asked me about the animation, like the cartoon animation and the animation, different types of animation. So I cannot teach in one class. So I will teach you step by step in different lessons. So today first I'm going to show you how can you create the animation. So let's start. Last time I told you about the KineMaster, how can you install it from the Android application. You will go to the application and write KineMaster. You will find the latest version and oldest version of KineMaster. You can take it. You will click on install and it's free. So once it's installed, you will click on the KineMaster and this will be the first screen of the KineMaster. So now let's start. The first screen of the KineMaster, you will find it, and then in the middle plus sign you will click on it. This indicates the new project. Now you will select the aspect ratio, which aspect ratio you want. Suppose I select the first one, 16:9. So this is the first screen after selection the aspect ratio. Now what will you do? You will select the color. You will click on the media, and then from the background you will select the color, which color you want. Suppose I choose this color. Okay, you will select the color and click OK. From here you can drag this and make it big how long you want it. Suppose I want this 13-second. So after finish this, once I select the color, once I drag this, I selected the size, how much second, the time period, I will click on OK. After that I will click on the layer. You see the layer here on the top. You will click on the layer and select media. I have some pictures, some images, and the video, small video for the animation. I will use it. I will give you this link in description and you can download from there. So the first image I am taking from my download option. I will select this bar where the lady will move. I drag this, I make on the full screen, and then I will bring down like this. Now you can click OK and equal to the first layer, the green layer. It should be equal, so it will be easy to use it. So now you can see here, from here it's a little bit. Okay, so now it's equal. So again I will go to the layer and again media. I will select the second image and this time I will take the shop. I will minimize this shop because we have to show the lady is crossing and some things are going and coming during her way. Okay, so I make it small and I bring here. Suppose I put it here. Also I can fix the size for this. I will make it equal Again, all the slides, all the images and the videos should be equal. So now you can see. Okay, after that you will find here in animation on the top. Once you click, we are on the same layer on the shop. If you are not getting this point, so again I am showing you, I'll click on the shop layer and I will click on in animation. Once I click on in animation, you will find different types of animations here. You can select any of it. Suppose I select pop open. You can select the time 0.5 or 1. It's I will suggest make it 1 and then OK. Now you can run your slide, but before this I will do one more thing. Once you click on it, you will once you click the animation pop open, you have to check again all the slides should be equal. See this slide, I think little bit we have to make it same. So now this is okay. If this is not equal, so you can hold this and bring it on the same. Now this one little bit okay. Okay, now all the layers are same. Now what you have to do, the pop-up we choose it in the starting, means I click on the shop and here I select in animation and I select pop open. Now I will come in the last and I will take the shop. First I click on the shop, I will come here in the last and I will take this shop and bring it here. So when the lady will move, it will be look like she's crossing this shop. Okay, now here we put this, click OK. Now you can see if you play, but before this one thing you have to do what we didn't do it in the beginning. When you select pop, when you select pop open, so you should click here on the key. You will click on the layer, shop layer, and you will find the key on the left hand. You will press this key and after that you will do this, you will bring the shop here. So we did one mistake here. I will come here, I click on the key and then I will bring this shop here, then click OK. So now you can see once you play it, so it looks like this sliding is moving and we are crossing this shop. Okay, so now again we will come on the beginning and after that we will go again in the layer. We will click on the layer again. I will go to the media and this time I will select the lady, what she will move on it. I take it again. I am saying I will give you the link and you can download this. I will click this lady with green screen. I will bring here, it should be the same. Yes, that's it. Now I have to bring on this slide. I will bring her on the slide like here. You can see, you can fix it where it should be like this. Now what will you do? You will come here. Once you are here, you will see on the right hand in animation, overall animation, many things. So you will see chroma key. You will click on the chroma key and make it enable. So now you can see this lady. You can fix this on the bar. Okay, so the green screen has been disappeared and you can see only the lady here. So now again we click OK and we start to play. So you can see now our shop is going. It's animation what we put it, but it looks like the girls is moving and the animation is going on. She's crossing the shop. So you can do many things here. You can add the other things. You can see all these layers are working. So you can add the other things also. Suppose you can put the clouds. Also I will give you the link for the clouds. I will click again layer media and the clouds are here. There is the clouds. You will make crop. On the right hand you will find the crop. Here cropping, you will click on the cropping and you will make it small. Suppose just only one cloud. Suppose I put this only one, then click OK. So now I select the I select the cloud place. First I will bring it equal, because the clouds also this layer should be equal. Now I will bring it up, the cloud, because it should be on the sky, and OK. So now you can see once I play it, so the cloud is moving, but cloud is moving with this girl. So what will you do? You will come in the last and again the same thing you will do it what you did with the shop. Again first we crop this cloud and we make the same size like the other layers, and in the last once we come we will bring it here. We will click on the cloud and we will bring it here, means it will be disappear. Or you can do one more thing, you don't bring the clouds equal, you make it half, so it will be look like the clouds coming and going. I play it now. See, so that's it. So guys, today I try to explain about the animation. It's very easy and simple. Maybe you face you didn't understand some of the point, but if you watch 1 or 2 times my video, so you will everything will be clear. It's very easy and simple, but you have to do yourself one time, then every step everything will be clear. So in the next lesson inshallah I will tell you the cartoon characters, how we create the cartoons. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel so you can get the new notification about the new softwares. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.